This will be an overview of the functionality and the equipment of the boat. This is the Sun Concept EVO 7.0. The boat is designed for tourism operations, rental businesses and private use. With a capacity of maximum 14 passengers, including operator, it's ideal to enjoy a peaceful ride with family and friends. The EVO 7.0 has two battery banks of 48 volts. One battery bank consisting of 4 batteries is here in this hatch. The other battery bank is here in this hatch. On the bimini roof are 9 solar panels with a total of 1.5 kilowatt peak. For the main equipment, you would have to open this hatch. To open the hatch, use these and open. It is secured by 2 gas struts. Here is the starboard electrical motor, and here the port side electrical motor. Both compartments are wet compartments, and it's okay if there's water inside. There's also a drain that drains from here towards these 2 compartments. In the middle there is the dry technical compartment, which includes the Victron MultiPlus, MPPT solar controller, DC-DC converter, smart shunt, distribution bus bars, fuse boxes, power cables and switches. The Victron MultiPlus is a charger and inverter in one. The charger rectifies the incoming AC shore power into DC power and charges the batteries. The inverter converts the DC power of the batteries into 230 volts AC power. The Victron MPPT Blue Solar Charge Controller is the direct connection between the solar panels and the batteries. The DC power cables from the solar panels are the input, and this power is transformed to a stable voltage and a computer-controlled current as output. The Victron Orion Isolated DC-DC Converter transforms the battery DC voltage of 48 volts into 12 volt DC. The 12 volt DC power is used for lighting, radio communication and other consumers in the operator console. The Victron Smart Shunt measures the battery voltage and communicates this data to the Victron servo. To supply energy from the battery bunks to the boat, operate this switch into the on position. The boat is now powered and the console will light up. Here you see the operator console with the Victron servo, Bluetooth radio, emergency switch, compass, key switch, steering wheel, motor controller, motor on-off switch and the 12 volt control switches. The monitor of the Victron Servo CX. The Victron Servo GX is the unit installed inside the console and is the brain of the boat that takes information from the main equipment. It displays these data on the screen, connects to Wi-Fi for remote monitoring via the Victron Connect app. It has a general notification and alarm system and can be used to change settings. The user interface of the Servo GX with all connected equipment is via a 5-inch GX Touch 50. The startup of the servo system is initiated when the servo unit is powered via the switch in the technical compartment, which I just switched on. The startup can take some time because it needs to read out all information on the connected equipment. Shore, red upper left box. This is the incoming 230 volt AC
from the shore power cable. This power cable should be plugged into the power columns from the marina and connected to the shore power inlet of the boat. The number in the red box on the touchscreen states the incoming power in watts. Charger inverter. Blue upper middle box. This is the Victron Multi Plus installed in the technical compartment. It is the component connected to all other component blocks with blue lines. The flow of current is illustrated as moving balls from block to block. AC loads. Green upper right box. This is the total power in watts of the 230 volt AC consumption of the boat, including all appliances plugged into the sockets. Batteries. Turquoise lower left box. This is the indication of the state of charge, SOC, of all 24 volt DC main batteries in a percentage. The box also shows the charging or discharging of the batteries. The percentage is calculated from the voltage measurement by the smart shunt. The total DC voltage of the batteries should be above 48 volt DC. PV charger, yellow lower right box. This is the incoming DC power from the solar panels via the MPPT solar charge controller. The number shown is the production of all solar panels going into the batteries. The value will change with a changing light intensity.